Good morning, everyone. Today we will start Chapter 5 Great Indian Desert. In this chapter, we will learn about the location and region of the Great Indian Desert, its climate and vegetation, the lifestyle and occupation of the people living in desert, important places, and about the camel, which is called the ship of desert. Desert. Desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand and receives very little or no rainfall. Location of the desert in India. In India, desert is located on the western side of the northern plains. It is called the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert mainly lies in the state of Rajasthan. Desert region. The region of the Great Indian Desert is made up of loose sand and rocks. The loose sand is blown away by strong winds to form hills. These hills are called sand dunes. Sometimes strong winds also called storms, which are called sandstorms or dust storms. There is a scarcity of water in the desert. There are areas in the desert where underground water springs up to the surface. These areas are called oases. Human settlements and villages are located near oases because water is easily available here. Climate and vegetation. In summers, the days in the desert are very hot, but the nights are pleasant. In winters, the days are pleasant, but the nights are very cool. This is because sand heats up quickly during the day and also cools down quickly at night. Hot and dry winds are common here. The desert gets little or no rainfall. As a result, very few plants such as date palm, cactus, kikar, and babool, which require very less water, grow here. About the life of people living in Great Indian Desert, lifestyle refers to the way of living. Now let us learn about the lifestyle of people, those who live in Great Indian Desert. Clothes. The people of the Great Indian Desert like to wear colorful clothes. The traditional clothes of the people of this region include dhoti, kurta and turban for men and ghagra choli and odhni for women. Languages. The main languages spoken by the people of the desert are Rajasthani, Marwari, and Hindi. Festivals. The people of the desert celebrate all the major Indian festivals, but the main festivals celebrated here are Tej and Gangaur. Dances. Ghumar is the famous folk dance of the desert. Houses. The houses located in the desert have thick walls and flat roofs. The thick walls help to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cool. Important places. Some of the important cities located in the desert region are Bikaner, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and Udaipur. Some of these places have huge havelis, forts, and palaces. Camel, ship of the desert. A camel is called the ship of the desert as it is the main means of transport in the desert. A camel's feet are long and padded that enables it to walk easily on sand. A camel has a hump at the back and helps it to go without food for many days. Now we will discuss the back exercise of this chapter in the next class.